Hey, it's Bill Soriano from Pittsburgh, and it's actually getting late here. I'm getting ready to turn in, but I just finished the 7 days of the 18-day Copy Profit Success Global, or CPSG Bootcamp, and it was awesome, guys. So even though it's late here, I'm getting ready to go to bed. I had to make a quick video review of this bootcamp, the first 7 days. The bootcamp's done by Patrick Kenny. He's one of the head instructors for CPSG, and the boot camp is just phenomenal, guys. Patrick does a great job, and what's different about the way Patrick teaches in this boot camp is, with most of the other companies out there to provide training for forex, the videos are just too long. They're 1.5, 2.5 hours long. They're covering a whole list of different topics and subjects, and what happens is you just can't grasp all of the information that they're giving you. Your mind just can't process it all, so you don't retain any of it. So what's great about the way Patrick teaches is he breaks the videos down. They're 30 minutes to 1 hour in length. There's nothing over an hour in length, and he makes sure that he goes over no more than 3 things or 3 topics on each video. This way, you're able to sit down, you're able to make time in your day to sit down and actually watch the videos without being interrupted, and you're able to listen to the information and retain most of it. Now, you can always watch them again, and I do that as well. I've actually watched each of the 7 days twice now, but that's the great thing about the way Patrick set up these videos. And again, this is just the first 7 days of an 18-day boot camp. Okay? Now, if you're wondering, you're going to be able to get access to the first 7 days of this 18-day boot camp, along with a 14-day trial, right, of the live room training that Patrick does, and also the live signals that CPSG gives out. And you're going to be able to get all this for just $1, guys. $1, one stinking dollar. That's it. Okay. So again, you're going to get 7 days, the first 7 days of the 18-day boot camp, and a 14-day trial of the live training rooms and the signals. So this is a phenomenal opportunity with Copy Profit Success Global, CPSG, as I'm going to call it here, during the rest of this video. And that's why I just had to take some time out here to do a quick review of these 7 days for you guys, so that you know exactly what you're going to get here. So in day 1, what Patrick does is he made this boot camp as if you had no experience in the forex market, which is what you have to do. And so day 1 goes over how to open a broker account. Right? How to open a broker account. He shows you how to find a broker, a forex broker. He talks about the different kinds of brokers, and he shows you how to set up a broker account, put money in there, and then connect that account to MetaTrader 4. And MetaTrader 4 is what we use to do our trades online. So he also talks a little bit about how it's better to have MetaTrader 4 installed on your laptop or your PC instead of just having it on your phone, because if you're going to take the bootcamp training and you're going to implement the skills that Patrick teaches you, you need to be able to see the full candlestick chart of these currencies so that you're able to identify the different areas where you want to trade. So you need to have this installed on your laptop or your PC. And I know you see a lot of ads nowadays about, making money trading forex from your cell phone or from your phone, and that's fine if you're just taking signals. But if you're going to actually try to learn how to take your own trades, you're going to need to have this on. You're going to need to have MetaTrader 4 downloaded on your PC or your laptop, guys. So day 2, now day 2 is probably the most important day of definitely the most important day of the first 7 days, maybe the whole 18. I don't know yet because I haven't taken days 8 through 18. But in day 2, Patrick talks about risk management. He talks about risk management, portfolio management. He shows you how to calculate what your lot size should be and what your maximum risk should be based on the balance of your trading account. Now, the really cool thing that Patrick shows you here in day 2 is that it's actually okay to lose, right? As a matter of fact, he shows you how you can still make money trading Forex even if you only win 40% of your trades, guys. 40% of your trades. That's 4 out of every 10. That means if you follow Patrick's risk management that he sets up for you here in day 2, if you follow his strategy, his risk management strategy, you can lose 6 out of 10 trades and still make money trading Forex. Awesome. Day 2 is just awesome. Day 3, Patrick goes into all the different Forex terms that you need to know. What is a pip? What's a stop loss? What's a take profit? The different types of orders, all that kind of stuff. He talks about why Forex is a great vehicle to make money. Why it's better maybe than stock market trading or commodities, because it's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, right? So even if you have a full-time job, you can still find some time to trade Forex and make money. So that's day 3. Day 4, Patrick actually goes into the MetaTrader 4 software with you, and he shows you how to set it up. He shows you the different tools that you need to have on your toolbar. He shows you, how you want to make the background and everything. Of course, you're free to change this stuff if you want and use your own colors that you like. But what Patrick does here, he shows you how to get the different tools on there that you're going to need to have in order to complete this 18-day boot camp. So he does all of that in day 4. And then day 5 goes into some basic principles for Forex trading, right? And again, he limits these videos to like 3 topics at the most. So day 5 is one of the longer videos. As you can see, it's about 46 and a half minutes, almost 47 minutes. And day 5, he goes into how to identify trends, right? How to mark up your charts, start marking up your charts, identifying the trend, find the support and resistance areas, right? And also how to start doing trend lines. So that's all covered in day 5 under the basic principles, the basic Forex principles. Day 6, it starts ramping up a little bit here. He gets in the intermediate training principles. He talks a little bit about channel trading. Even though he doesn't take any trades based solely on channel trading, he does use that, as an extra tool to decide whether or not to take a trade. But and also something very important that I've never had on any other Forex course that I've taken. He talks about volume analysis, and he actually shows you some broker order books. He talks about broker order books, and there's a link there where you can go on Oanda, and you can actually see how many people are long or short on a particular currency and what the pending orders look like. So, and where those pending orders are at, are there more people trying to go long or trying to go short with the pending orders? And he pulls up some charts alongside of that and shows you how you can use these broker books to actually decide whether or not to take a trade. All these different things, guys, are going to increase the amount of winning trades that you have. But again, remember, in day 2, he shows you how you can make money by only winning 4 out of 10 trades, 40% of your trades. Okay, so that's day 6. And then day 7 finishes up with market symmetry and identifying some different reversal candlestick patterns. So, he talks a little bit about symmetrical triangles, finding the triangles, also which are continuation patterns, as you know. Also the flags and the pennants, and he goes into that. into each one of those areas and explains that. And then, like I said, he shows you different candlestick reversal patterns. So that's kind of like the last thing that you're looking for to decide whether or not to take the trade. When you find these various reversal candlestick patterns at key support or resistance levels, that gives you a better understanding on whether or not to take that trade or not. So like I said, guys, this is the Copy Profit Success Global CPSG boot camp. You know, we get the first 7 days of the 18-day boot camp included in the $1 14-day trial. So guys, please, I encourage you, if you want to get more information on how to sign up for this $1 trial so that you can get access to the first 7 days of the 18-day boot camp and 14 days of the trading signals and and access to the live training rooms, you're going to want to click on my Facebook link down in the description area of this video. That way you can hit me up on Facebook, and it's going to be much easier for me to answer any questions that you may have. If you're ready to get started, you just have a couple questions. That'll be a great way to get in touch with me if you do have questions. If you don't have any questions and you just want to sign up for the the $1 14-day trial right now, there's going to be a link here for you to do that in the description area of this video. There'll be a link down there to do that as well. But again, if you have a few questions before you want to get started with the 14-day trial for just $1, then click on my Facebook page link and message me on Facebook and hit me up with those questions. So again, guys, this is Bill Soriano from Pittsburgh, and like I said, this boot camp is just awesome. I encourage everyone to get started with it right away if you're interested in trading Forex. So until next time, let's make it a great day trading Forex.